Mozaïk-Portail is a constantly evolving product. Here are the new features for winter 2021. A draft is now automatically created when you open an email page in all sections of Mozaïk-Portail. You also have the options to continue your email in Outlook by clicking on the corresponding link. To retrieve a draft, you must access your Outlook mailbox and select the desired email in the draft section. For teachers of the GEAV clientele, it is now possible to enter results by workshop group. In the My Group section, select a workshop group, then click on the Evaluation tab. A chevron allows you to select the subject to be evaluated, and the Subject Details link displays information about that subject. Entering results by objective is also possible. To do so, use the chevron next to the summary to select an objective. Then complete each student's fields individually or by group by selecting them. The student filters have been improved in the principal and non-teaching staff of the Youth Sector section. When you create or modify a filter, new criteria are available to filter the clientele. By classification and by distribution is added to the by level filter. In addition, if no data is selected within the filter, it will state that all values will be used. Visit the following mini-site to stay up to date of new products or to discover tips and tricks in Mozaïk-Portail. You can also go to Espace Formation to complete the essential self-training modules.